Meet Alex and Ben. On day one, they launched identical software companies. Both are brilliant. Both scale like crazy. Both start pulling in millions. 5 years later, Alex is looking at yachts. Ben is looking for a roommate. Ben didn't lose his money because of bad sales, a terrible product, or a shifting market. He lost it because of one hidden trapdoor in a contract he downloaded for free online. See, Alex didn't hire a legal team because he was in trouble. He hired them so he could never get into trouble. Amateurs think lawyers are the paramedics you call after the car crash. Billionaires know lawyers are the mechanics who make sure your brakes don't fail at 120 miles per hour. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the elite legal strategies of the world's wealthiest people and how you can use them to bulletproof your own business before it's too late. Most rookie entrepreneurs treat the law like an annoying line item on a budget. They think, I'll just copy-paste a terms of service from Google and change the names. Who's gonna know? The court will know. A generic internet contract is a ticking time bomb. It wasn't written for your industry, your state, or your specific business model. One poorly placed comma or an ambiguous phrase like reasonable efforts can be interpreted by a judge in a way that drains your corporate accounts. Psychologists call this probability neglect. Humans are hardwired to ignore rare but catastrophic risks because it hasn't happened yet. Billionaires don't rely on luck. They pay for legal engineering up front because a $2,000 contract review now is cheaper than a $200,000 court battle later. Let's bust a massive misconception. Clear contracts don't mean you don't trust your partners. They mean you want to keep them as partners. Co-founders rarely split because they hate each other. They split because they forgot to write down the rules of the divorce before they got married. What happens if your partner wants to quit in 2 years but keep 50% of the company? What happens if someone dies? Who gets their shares? If it's not in writing, you're playing Russian roulette with your equity. A business lawyer builds the exit doors before the building catches fire. If you look at companies like Apple, Nike, or Disney, their most valuable assets aren't their offices, their factories, or their inventory. It's stuff you can't even touch. It's intellectual property. Their code, their logos, their secret formulas, and their brand equity. If you don't file the paperwork to lock down your brand name, your software architecture, or your unique designs, a competitor can and will steal them, copy them, and legally price you out of your own market. Lawyers don't just defend you, they build a moat around your ideas. Default text. When a major deal is on the table, a big client, an acquisition, or an investment, the party writing the contract writes it to protect themselves, not you. They hide toxic clauses in plain sight. Things like indemnification traps making you pay for their mistakes, automatic renewal locks you can't get out of, exclusivity clauses that ban you from working with other clients. Billionaires never sign anything until their legal team has aggressively combed through the fine print to strip out the poison pills. The government doesn't care if you're a startup or a multinational conglomerate. Ignorance of the law is not a valid legal defense. Every single industry is a maze of regulatory landmines. If you collect customer emails, you're subject to data privacy laws. If you hire freelancers, you risk misclassification penalties. A single compliance mistake can trigger a federal audit or a fine that wipes out an entire year of profit. Corporate attorneys keep your business ahead of shifting regulations so you're never caught off guard. If your business gets hit with a massive lawsuit or goes bankrupt, what happens to your personal bank account? Your home? Your kids' college funds? If your business isn't structured correctly, or if you've been mixing your personal and business cash like a casual checking account, a clever attorney can use a tactic called piercing the corporate veil. Lawyers ensure your corporate architecture acts as a literal blast shield. If the company goes down, it goes down alone, leaving your personal wealth entirely safe behind the wall. In the digital age, A reputation built over 10 years can be completely vaporized in 10 minutes by one bad PR crisis, a misleading advertisement, or a disgruntled employee's public complaint. Billionaires don't do crisis management. They do crisis prevention. Legal teams vet public disclosures, advertising claims, and HR policies before they leak to the press. They keep your company out of the headlines and out of the court of public opinion. You don't need to be a billionaire to start thinking like one. You don't even need a massive retainer fee. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or a scaling tech startup, investing in professional legal guidance early isn't an expense, it's an asset. It's the price of admission for staying in the game long term. Because at the end of the day, building a business is hard work. Don't let a single preventable mistake destroy everything you've built. Have you ever had a close call with a bad contract or a business dispute? Drop your horror stories or questions in the comments below. If you want more no-nonsense breakdowns of how to protect your assets, scale securely, and build long-term wealth, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Stay safe, protect your neck, and we'll see you in the next video.